I'm enjoying my Barbie Girl of the month, and gas it. Let's get started. Good to see a close-up of me. These are going to be really, really loud because I'm burping right out of the sound mechanism. Yeah. I'm enjoying myself. Let's go potty. Let's go potty was what Ken was saying. Wow. Holy crap! That was even loud from my standpoint. What song is next? Oh, low. That's alright. I'm gonna try in my second to the nose technique. That was funny. I'm improving. Smells like tomato juice. Look at my room, shall we? Pink and black. What the heck is this? That's disgusting! Jake, have you done this? Dude. I'm meant to be served. The knee slapper. I think I'm done now.
Come on, now that's 3 grand. What you think I'm playing? Baby girl, I'm the man. I ain't been a rubber band. That's what I told her. Her legs on my shoulder. I knew it was over. That Henny and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for Rover. I couldn't control her. So lucky on me, I was just like a clover. Shorty was hot like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to fold her like a pornography poster. She showed her apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shorty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slam. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shorty got low. Yeah, she was worth the money. The mama took my cash, and I ain't want it back. The way she bit that got her them papers, tattoo above her crack. I had to handle that. I was on it, sexy woman, kept me shown and made me want it. 2 in the morning, I'm zoning, and them rose bottles foaming. She wouldn't stop, made it drop. Shorty did that poppin' lock, had to break her off that guap. Yeah, I was fine just like McGlide.